I wanted to do this secret unboxing for you. I call it a secret unboxing because I don't know what's in it. It's one of those surprise boxes. This is from Gunnar Optics. I needed some blue light blockers. It's that time. You know, I wear glasses, but I sit in front of a computer a lot during the day, whether it's at work or at home. And I needed some blue blockers. I knew Gunnar made some dope blue blockers, so this isn't a sponsored ad. I went to the website, and I was immediately presented with the surprise gift box thing they got going on. It's $15. So $15, they send you this surprise gift box, and I have no idea. It's going to be a pair of blue light blockers, and yeah, it's called a mystery box. So I'm gonna see if what I got here is worth it, or if I need to go order a non-surprise mystery box. But for 15 bucks, it's worth a try. I just almost cut myself open. Okay. All right. So it says Vortex Gray Crystal Amber Lens. All right. So let's see what they look like. And see if they fit my big head. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay. There we go. Mystery. $15 for some blue light blockers. I mean, you can't beat that, right? Let's see what it looks like. Not bad, right? I mean, it fits my head perfectly. Let's get some light over here. Yeah, blue light blockers from Gunnar Optics. These are the Vortex. Okay, so obviously non-prescription because they're only in front of the computer, and I am nearsighted, so it's perfect. So there we go. I may get a couple pair of these. I might get another pair that I keep in my car just for work, so I don't carry 2 pairs of glasses with me. Keep a pair in the car for work. Keep a pair on my desk for home. Torrance Davis Daily. Oh. And I'm vlogging with my lookie. I'll get into that later. But this thing's dope. All right, anyway. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.